This is day 6 of Folding Towels with Will. Let's begin. Let's go. I hear mine, so I'm not capping, but so hope you all up. Getting in this morning, man. Do what you have to do to get the results you're trying to get, that you're looking for. Don't hold your pillow too tight. You know that you ain't rich yet. All of us ain't rich at that. We have to start somewhere. Even it is at your mama's house, in a house, in her basement, or in a garage. Start somewhere, bro. You start in the fire, bro. You start under pressure. Ain't no perfect time. Ain't no perfect time at all, ever. Ain't no perfect time. Your perfect time when you start is when you start. I'm not just saying this for y'all. I'll be talking to myself too. You know, I ain't I ain't just talking to y'all. I'm talking to me. At that, this stuff is from myself, my subconscious. At that. So yeah, let's get into it, man. What time is it? 6:42 in the morning. Let's get everything done that need to be done, man. At least this. I'm getting a little better, man. Your man's was sick. It's just my nose. It's wearing off though. I couldn't even lift my head up. That's how painful my head was, bro. That's how big my eyes was at that. And tears falling down my face, bro. Or in my eyes. That's how much it was hurt. That's if you watch my previous videos. But yeah, if you just new to my channel, yeah, you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, let's devour this for real. That's it. I just phone face rags now. As you can see, anything you're going through, embrace it, man. Embrace it all with something that's positive and productive, bro. Other than suffer yourself with drugs or alcohol or sex or pornography. Those things is dangerous, man. But we are done for the video. How much minutes we have, man? 1 minute. Uh, all right, sis. I woke up like this, man. But I don't have nothing to say. Let's ace today and trust in God and have faith in Him, man. Remember, remember, fear and doubt came from the enemy, which is the devil, bro. Trust and faith came from God. Remember that. So if you have any fear or doubt in your heart, erase that. Erase it all. Because it came from the devil. All that came from the devil. Remove it. Pray. Pray on it. Pray on it, man. Stay safe. Stay productive. And that's it. It's your boy checking out. I'm gone, man.